Hi, this is Elisha and welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can actually make money on the site that I just ran into. And this site is called Everve. Everve. So if you want to find a link that will lead you to the site, it's not an app, it's the site. I have the link and I've dropped it in the description section. Just copy it, or you simply copy it and then paste it into any browser and you'll be good to go. Open an account. Now, the question is, how can you earn money on Everve? It's pretty simple. You don't need to invest anything. All you have to do is to create an account. So after you create an account, you will need to verify it. Verification all involves, following up the message that they will send to you in your email inbox, and you click it. That's all. And then after you do that, connect your wallet for withdrawal. So the wallet, that will be an e-wallet that will be using to withdraw money from Everve. So one of the wallets that you can use is actually saying that. You can also connect your all social media accounts. So the social media accounts that I'm talking of include Facebook account, a TikTok account. Then you may also include Telegram accounts, Instagram, the Twitter accounts. All those, you connect them to your Everve account because that's where you'll be doing the tasks from. Then how do you earn? I'm pretty sure that's the most intriguing question that you have. You earn by simply accomplishing the tasks which Everve gives you. So you'll be given simple tasks that you need to accomplish on different social media platforms. And then you can as well invite your friends on EverveNet for more earning. Increase your balance to up to $6 by completing the tasks. Then you withdraw your payments in your wallet. So now let me make a demonstration on how you can actually do those tasks on a daily basis. So the way it is each task is actually accorded a certain amount of money. Though it is minimal, the thing is, the more tasks you do, the more money you earn. So if you're too lazy, you earn less, and it takes time for you to earn the threshold amount of money that you can easily withdraw. So now let me take you to my account. So this is my account here, and I recently opened this account. So I only have 0.5765 USD balance. So now how do I do the tasks? So this is the wallet where you withdraw money from, withdraw funds. Then task categories, you check. I just click that. You see the tasks which are there and how you do them. Now we move on to, so we have Instagram followers. Here you simply have to actually follow some figures on Instagram. And then you also like some videos. By simply liking them, you earn money. And then you make some comments. There are those that can be done automatically, and there are those that you have to do manually. Okay. Then Twitter followers, you simply follow some Twitter accounts on Twitter, which is why in the first place you have to attach your social media accounts, so that when you are late to such platforms, you'll be logged into your accounts, and then you'll be liking and subscribing and following from your accounts. TikTok, all these TikTok followers, you simply follow some accounts on TikTok. You go and like the videos that have been posted by people on TikTok. Telegram channels, you follow and you join some channels. The YouTube views, you view some videos that have been posted on YouTube, and then you earn money. Now, if you can do all these tasks, every day you'll be given the tasks. If you can accomplish them, then you have a higher chance of earning higher. Okay, so now let's get into doing the tasks and make a demonstration on how you have to do the tasks. So here, when you check on the left panel, there's somewhere where there's a blue bar and it's labeled tasks categories. Just right after that one at the bottom, there's perform tasks. So I will click there. So you see, the first one is traffic exchange. Then there's the second one, which is TikTok followers. Okay, so I just have to follow some TikTok accounts. So I've clicked TikTok followers, and these are the tasks that have been given. So let me just make a demo here. Come on, TikTok followers. TikTok followers. Okay, beautiful. Let me click. You click at the far end where it says follow profile. Okay, so a pop-up window opens up and I'm led to TikTok. If it's your first time and you haven't signed into your TikTok account, you'll be prompted to sign in. So you just have to sign in. So anytime you happen to click on any task that has to do with TikTok, you'll be brought here. So all I have to do is to click follow. Then I wait until the clockwise rotation there is done on top there. So it's still loading. If I go back to the Everve page, I won't be credited. Okay, it's taking way too long. It could be network. It would be network. Alright. So when everything has been done, it's only that this one is taking way too long, and I'm becoming impatient. You close the tab, then you go back to Everve. So that if it's well done, here it will tick green, showing that, okay, beautiful. So it has been done. So check out on top there, it's saying you have successfully completed task and you are credited with 0.0015. So you come down here on this open window, you click next, and then you move on to the second task. So you have to make sure that you're done with all these tasks that have to do with TikTok. Then you move on to the other tasks. As simple as that. You may be like, so why am I liking? Why am I following the accounts? There are people who pay, those people who have the specialty in marketing the products that they offer. So when they're paid, now those are the companies which now are coming up with such sites as this one, where you need to follow some accounts on different social media platforms. And that is so this one is taking ages to load. Okay, network is pretty bad. So basically, that's what is expected of you just to earn on Everve. There are other tasks here on the left panel. So all you have to do is you click on them, they open, you do what I've just demonstrated here. Others you'll be liking, others you'll be following, others you simply view. You watch a video. For watching a video, you're paid. As simple as that. So for the link, make sure that you pick it up from the description section. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I happen to post any other video, you are alerted. Thank you so much.